Good morning and welcome to another episode of Capper Comparison Picks. So yesterday we went 2-2 on the first day out, but not that bad. Syracuse ended up losing to Florida State, but it was 77-80, so definitely they covered. Penn State beat Northwestern 77-61. They covered. Then the losses from yesterday. Said Texas Tech. I said that was a prime pick because all the cappers took it, and they ended up losing to Oklahoma State 70-73. And then finally Kentucky. They did not cover the spread over Ole Miss. It was 67-62. So 2 for 2 on the first day for college basketball. Not bad. So let's get to today's picks. Okay, this is the earliest game, 12 o'clock. We have Cincinnati versus East Carolina. Cincinnati 16-8, and they are laying 10.5. East Carolina is 10-15. So, winners and whiners. Guy named Adam Rosino. Stat Salt also says it's going to go over. Sports Chat Place, Andrew. He is taking Cincinnati. And Mitch, of course, my man Mitch from Pick Dogs. So nobody is taking East Carolina, just like yesterday nobody took OSU. But I'm not taking North Carolina either. I'm going with Cincinnati. I'm not touching the totals. Yesterday, by the way, all the totals from Stat Salt, all of them were wrong. All the totals I posted yesterday were wrong. So, I mean, this is a gambling thing. I'm showing you what the cappers are picking. You can go with them, go against them, it's just information. Use it as you will. Okay, 1 o'clock. Villanova and Temple. This is like the battle of Philadelphia, for Philadelphia, pretty much. I lived in Philadelphia from 2004 to 2009, and back then, as in now, Villanova is the much stronger team. They are 18-6, number 15. Temple is 13-11. They're not bad, and they're playing at Temple, but the same amount of fans probably going to be there for both teams. Mitch is taking Villanova. Mitch from Pick Dogs. Winners and whiners. A guy named Nick Rafowl. Then another guy from Pick Dogs, Ronald Romanelli. Okay, for Pick and Temple, we got Stat Salt. That's Doug Gilchrist. And they're saying over 137. But my line is 139.5. And then Picks and Parlays, they have a score of 71-67 Villanova. Math on that. So they're saying under with their score. Okay. Well, under with 138. I'm going with Villanova on this pick. I've been a fan, I haven't followed all year, so go with that. Iowa, Minnesota. Iowa 17-8, and they are getting 4.5 points. Minnesota is 12-11. Note, Iowa has a doubtful. C.J. Frederick is doubtful. He's like the third leading scorer over in Iowa. That was ranked 21st. Tony T is taking Iowa or Minnesota. I'm sorry. Sports Chat Place. Chris is going Minnesota. Winners and Whiners. Adam Rosino. And Stat Salt. They're taking over also, over 149. Just to take note, Minnesota, even though they have the worst record, they destroyed Wisconsin on Wednesday. It's like 72-52. They destroyed by 20 points. And that is why I'm going to go with the crowd and take Minnesota to lay 4.5. All right, finally, Indiana, 16-8, are getting 8 points. Michigan, 15-9. Now Michigan is beast at home. I mean, I didn't write down their home record or anything, but they're a totally different team at home. And according to my research, everybody else agrees with me. Sports Pick Info, which is also kind of like picks and parlays. They have the Al Ninos. He's taking Michigan. Mitch from Pick Dogs is taking Michigan. Nick Rafool from Winners and Liners is taking Michigan. And Stat Salt is also taking Michigan and saying the over. Once again, I'm going to go with the crowd and take Michigan to lay 8 points because, like I said, they're beasts at home. Okay. So to recap, we have Cincinnati laying 10.5 over East Carolina. Villanova, what was the spread on that? Laying 6.5 over Temple. Iowa, no, I'm taking Minnesota like everybody else to lay 4.5. And finally, Michigan to lay 8 points. Hopefully we do. I mean, not bad. Yesterday I got killed in hockey on the show. The 4 games I put on the show, I lost all of them. But whatever. Things happen. I did well in soccer and XFL and UFC Fight Night 167. I did fairly decent, you know, except for the Anderson got knocked out. But regardless, here you go for the 4 games, 4 early games. I'm gonna try to get another show into you for afternoon, like later afternoon games. Or how many games are today? Yeah, I'll hurry up and get another show into you. So go ahead, parlay these up however you want to. You got the information, use it as you will. Place your bets. Good luck and see you next episode.